Oh. You don't want to touch the hail, James. You can pick up one on the ground there if you want.
Huh? You can pick one up if you want.
We gotta get out of here! On the barbecue there, there's steel. On that table there's steel. And on the stool there's steel. We gotta get rid of the tail. There's gotta be a way. We've been thinking all day. The hill's gotten harder.
Yeah.
How do I get rid of it? It's hard to get rid of it. Try whacking it out of the sky. Ew, it smells so
Look at it over there. It's starting to melt, and it's raining off the side of his house.
I'm wet. I'm wet again.
The sun's coming out. No, it's a sun shower. See? It's a sun shower. Yeah, because it's raining, but there's sun coming out now. It does smell really nice.
Watch out for the hail. We better get out of there.
That is crazy.
It does smell kind of... Whoa! All the trees are down in the backyard. A tree just fell down.
Wet. That tree is huge. It used to be just like one of those, and that's it there. Oh, it smashed the fence. Wow.